When Jamaican vendors think that you're a foreigner.
Hello there, sir. Excuse me. Yes. How much is it for your mackerels, innit?
For your mackerel, then?
Yeah, that's what I said. I simply said, how much is it for your mackerels?
Oh.
Yeah, innit?
Give me 5,000 now, man.
5,000 for what? You idiot? You idiot, bad man?
A joke, man, Give me bills and man.
What's that thing? Hey, boy.
Alright, man, big up yourself.
I have some man born and growing a fool. I want to hear that.
Yeah, big up yourself, man. I hate you. Health is wealth, yeah?
No.
Yo, which part of it? Who I text you? Who name did you loan? Name me, I say, my father right now. I'll make sure you do it open. One of my young link to me say, I can't circle your ends, you know. What that supposed to mean? One thing we know is Easter gone, you know. Yeah. You're not supposed to make the phone ring more than 2 times. Who send me a shout? Eh? Who send me a shout? Yeah, me I say, I look at taxi right now. A front door me I walk to and make sure it open.
Yo, we are come up on FaceTime for me then.
Answer your phone, dirty man! Answer your phone!
Carry me then at the Migler Road, I do flag you know me for answer phone.
Smokey, what the hell you doing back here?
Hey, nothing, man. Hey, I'm fixing something. Hey, just stay over there.
But I thought you wanted me to wash your car.
Hey, man, wash it later. Stay over there.
Smokey, you know I ain't the smartest man in the world, but from over here, it look like you taking a shit.
Don't drink bag milk. It seems like you want your bread butter. I want me come butter it to you. Cause I run at the back party night just dry all up a sudden. Want butter your bread.
Damn, they need to feed this kid or something, but he definitely spinning. You can see the waves coming in straight from the durag. Oh my god. What?
One time, monkey was a climb and drop off a line and broke him behind. And Mr. Valentine was just on time with a buckle of turpin time to rub him behind. And then a man take a board and broke his spine, right? And Mr. Valentine was dying. You may tell you know, yes, because it's not right. A man take a board and broke his spine, right? And Mr. Valentine was dying. So no learn that, hear that.
Big Saturday night, see me out here on roadside and wait for me to come and Loin can arrive. So me say, alright, me go take out my phone and call her, cause something must wrong. Call mama. Mama go tell me say I got a party. Me say, mama, remember say still can't forward man, cause 11 o'clock curfew. Mama said no, at 1 o'clock that the party they are done. Me no vex, mama. All I do, I wish you the best at your party at Stark Street tonight in Maypen, Clarendon, right side of the tattoo shop there. So when me hear said over 300 people are going there cause a big celebration, me just wish you the best, mama. Out on the roadside, I wait for you, long mosquito and yam me everything. Me no vex, mama.
If I get this wrong, I'm gonna eat this chili. Teal. I'm gonna say yellow. Yes. I got this pink. No. Okay, Angel. Uncle. I can't breathe.